Hey everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. In today's video, we're going to make a Withered Bonnie mask from Five Nights at Freddy's. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming projects. First things first, download the PDF template. The link's down in the description. To save some time, you can print the templates directly onto colored cardstock. But if you prefer, you can print them on plain paper and glue the pieces onto colored cardstock afterward. There's also a third option. Use the pre-colored templates and just print them on white cardstock. Oh, and there's a smaller version of this mask too, perfect for kids. Here's what you'll need: a bit of red cardstock, a bit of gray, one white sheet, one light blue, two black, and about 5 blue sheets. All right, here are all the pieces. The small curved ones will be red, these tiny ones gray, the rest of the first page white, the second page light blue, the second and third pages black, and from the fourth page onward, they'll be blue. Besides cutting everything out, don't forget to fold along the lines. If you're not sure how to fold them, check out the short tutorial I've linked to help you do it the right way. Okay, let's get started. We'll begin with pieces 1 and 2. Start by shaping piece 1, then add some glue on the center tabs and attach piece 2. Next up are pieces 3 and 4, which will form one of Bonnie's ears. Shape piece 3 by gluing all the tabs together. Then attach it to the part we just made. Add glue to the center tabs and attach piece 4. That completes the first ear. Now for the second ear, it's pretty much the same process. Shape piece 5, glue piece 6 in the center. Then shape piece 7 and connect it to the part we just made. Once that's done, glue piece 8 in the center. Then join pieces 9 and 10 and glue both ears in place. This one goes on the left and the other on the right. These next 4 pieces will form most of the face. Just glue piece 11 to piece 12 and piece 13 to piece 14, then connect those 2 sections together. Piece 15 is the nose. Glue the tab, form the shape, and attach it right in the middle of the mask. Now we'll attach the big face piece we just built little by little to make sure it fits nicely. And while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. Moving on to the jaw, we'll use pieces 16, 17, and 18. Start by gluing the tabs on 17 and 18 to shape them, then attach them to piece 16 to build Bonnie's jaw. piece 19 goes right on top like this. Now for the teeth, this part can be a bit tedious because the pieces are small, but take your time. Pause or rewind the video whenever you need to follow along more easily. Each piece forms 2 teeth, so glue the tabs carefully to shape them. Attach pieces 20 and 21 first, 1 on each side, 20 on the right, 21 on the left. Then glue pieces 22 and 23 in the center, 22 on the right, 23 on the left. Add some glue on the tabs and attach piece 24 on top. Once that's ready, attach the whole jaw piece to the mask. It's really starting to come together now. Next is the bottom row of teeth made with piece 25. This one looks a bit tricky, but don't worry. Just be patient and follow along with the video. It forms the second row of teeth, and since the tabs are super small, use just a little glue so it doesn't spill over. Take your time. This is probably the most detailed part of the mask. Once you finish the teeth, glue them right behind the first row. Now we'll add the red and gray wires wherever you like. Just glue them in place once you're happy with the look. For the eyes, add some glue inside the mask and stick a piece of translucent red fabric like this. That way, the eyes will glow red and you'll still be able to see through when wearing it. And that's it. Our Withered Bonnie mask is completely finished. If you want to support the channel, consider joining Momuscraft Premium. You'll be able to download any of our templates without ads. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.